Ever found yourself fumbling for cash at the hawker stall, wishing there was a quicker, easier way to pay? Or maybe you've been eyeing that sweet treat online, but the thought of typing in your card details again just feels like too much effort. Well, what if I told you there's a seamless way to handle all your transactions, both online and offline, right here in Southeast Asia? I'm talking about GrabPay, of course. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of GrabPay, your all-in-one digital wallet. Whether you're a Grab veteran or just starting your Grab journey, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to making payments, exploring the different features, and even touching on some handy tips and tricks. So, what exactly is GrabPay? Think of it as your digital cash, stored securely on your phone. You can use it for a whole bunch of things, from paying for your Grab rides and food deliveries, to settling bills, shopping online, and even paying at physical stores. It's all about convenience, security, and earning rewards while you spend. First things first, let's get you set up. If you haven't already, download the Grab app from your app store. Once installed, open the app and either log in with your existing Grab account or create a new one. Now, tap on the payment icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. You should see the GrabPay section. If you're a new user, you'll likely be prompted to activate your GrabPay wallet. This usually involves verifying your phone number and maybe linking a payment method, like a credit or debit card. Don't worry, the process is super straightforward and Grab uses top-notch security measures to protect your information. Now that you're all set up, let's talk about topping up your GrabPay wallet. There are a few ways to do this. You can link your credit or debit card for instant top-ups, or you can use online banking. In some regions, you might even have the option to top up via cash at designated physical locations. Choose the method that best suits you. Okay, so you've got some funds in your GrabPay wallet. How do you actually use it? Let's say you're ordering food through GrabFood. Once you've chosen your meal and are at the checkout page, simply select GrabPay as your payment method. The amount will be deducted directly from your wallet. Similarly, when you're taking a Grab ride, your fare will be automatically deducted if you've chosen GrabPay. But GrabPay isn't just for Grab services. Many merchants, both online and offline, accept GrabPay. Look out for the GrabPay logo at checkout. Paying at physical stores is a breeze. Just open your Grab app, tap on the Pay or Scan option, and scan the QR code displayed by the merchant. Enter the amount if necessary, and confirm the payment. It's quick, easy, and completely contactless. One of the great things about using GrabPay is the reward system. You often earn Grab Rewards points for every transaction you make. These points can be redeemed for discounts, vouchers, and other perks. So, the more you use GrabPay, the more rewards you rack up. Keep an eye out for special promotions and offers too, as Grab frequently partners with merchants to offer exclusive deals to GrabPay users. Another useful feature is the ability to transfer money to other GrabPay users. This is perfect for splitting bills with friends, sending money to family, or even paying for goods and services from individuals. It's fast, secure, and usually free of charge. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using GrabPay. From setting up your wallet to making payments and enjoying rewards, GrabPay simplifies your daily transactions and puts convenience at your fingertips. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.